College isn't just about labs and lessons. You have to live a little, right? Of course. Catherine, a physician assistant studies major, is going to tell us why she chose Penn College and what she does in her free time. By the sounds of it, Willamsport is a mecca for outdoor enthusiasts. Take it away, Catherine.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. Hey everybody. When searching for a college, I was looking for small class sizes, a school with a history of academic success, and a cross-country team. Penn College was the perfect place with the physician assistant program and ability to run collegiately. As a local, I already knew some of the great things the Willamsport area has to offer, which was exciting to share with friends who weren't from around here. Penn College is near downtown Willamsport, which has unique local shops, restaurants, and fun things to do like the Hatchet House. Not only do you get the taste of a small city feel here, but there are also so many outdoor activities. There are a multitude of close trails for hiking and biking, and creeks to kayak and fish. The Susquehanna Riverwalk is one of my favorite places where I can get out and enjoy the scenery. One of my favorite places on campus is the Madigan Library. It has an art gallery, career center, a virtual reality studio, and a cafe where you can grab a coffee and snack and head outside to study on the lawn. A nice thing about Penn College is its close proximity to major East Coast cities like Pittsburgh, Philadelphia, New York City, DC, and the beaches in South Jersey, which are my favorite. Aside from Penn College's main campus, we also have an aviation center and earth science center, both a short drive from main campus. These locations provide students with exceptional hands-on experiences in their majors. The atmosphere at Penn College is so welcoming, which has really fostered my academic success. Penn College has given me a well-rounded education through the opportunity to collaborate with others, practice necessary skills to become a PA, and make lifelong friendships. Throwing it back to you, Alex.
Awesome. Thank you, Catherine. It sounds like there is something for everyone here in Willamsport. I can't wait to hit downtown for dinner. You'll have to let me know where that Hatchet House is. That's something I could get into. Cheers, Catherine.